today I'm going back to my old high school.
Oh no.
We went to Whataburger, the most high school thing ever though.
Correct. And we're by the one with all the locals, but they're all in school.
So we're winning.
Okay, they're gone. Never mind.
Okay, we were supposed to be there like 5 minutes ago, but I can't read instructions, so... except we're confused about the time. We might be on time. I don't know.
We're about to find out.
Oh my gosh. We also had to park really far, but you know what? It's fine. It's fine. Oh, Grace texted it. Turns out I wasn't late. Surprise! Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I'm back at my old high school. Oh my gosh.
I'm Grace. I'm Abby.
Oh my gosh.
Follow me on Instagram, Gracie_COXX. Chico_03.
There you go.
Hello.
Oh my god. The vlog.
Hello everyone, how's it going? Long time no see. I don't know if you remember, but a couple years back I was in this vlog. Welcome to Jess's vlog. This is yearbook right now. If you haven't seen it, go check it out.
Oh my god, something's happening. What's happening? I don't know. Hi. I'm confused. Yeah, I'm here with Chloe. Oh, hey. Yes. Alessandra. It's chaotic right now. So many people are here. You want to say hi? I forgot about it. I'm not used to this. These are yearbook. Subscribe to Jess. Subscribe.
It's been so long since I've seen you.
Okay. Sadie. I just got back and Sadie's going crazy. I realized I probably should recap a little on what happened today. Oh, hey, come here. Come on. Oh, she wants to play. Okay, if she'll just sit in my lap and calm down, we'll be good. Okay, I got her now. So today I went to my high school for, I guess not the first time, but like the first time this year. I went back once last semester and then this was my one time this semester. But I was in yearbook for 4 years. It was like one of my, it probably was. It was one of my favorite parts of high school. And I just adore my yearbook teacher. And one of the seniors this year decided, oh, I'm so proud. She was actually my little freshman year, but, or I guess my sophomore year. But she decided as like a fun little thing to do for our yearbook advisor that she wanted to have an alumni reunion and get as many people back as possible. And she put together a little book of all our thank you notes and it was really, really cute. But I, beforehand, one of my really good friends, Godson, who I made in yearbook like 4 years ago, he and I went and grabbed Whataburger beforehand. And the problem with this was, we decided, he was like, hey, let's just take one car over. I was like, okay, because Whataburger is like, you know, just down the road. Tell me, comment down below, did everyone else go to a high school with Whataburger really close? Because I feel like in the South, that's not that uncommon. Or like, what was the equivalent of your Whataburger? Because like everyone went there, it's so bad. But we went, I got chicken tenders, if you were wondering. But my high school, my old high school, is under construction right now. And so you have to go in through a certain entrance and the parking is just a mess. And so I parked in a nearby neighborhood, but I parked on the completely opposite side. And then we were like 10 minutes late and it was a whole thing. Turns out we weren't late. They had everyone go in, check in, and go to a certain waiting area before they were like taken to the room to hide because they had to get my teacher out of the room, get everyone in. It was a whole thing. We actually walked up in perfect time and we were counting. There was about 15 or 16 staff members from like the past 4 years who made it, which is so, so cool. And then I got to see like so many old friends, which like means so much to me. I forget, like, because I go to college so close to where I grew up, sometimes I feel like I'm not gone, but like there's people who were like a part of my daily life who I just don't see every day anymore, which is really sad. But you know, it was really nice to like see everyone again. I also got to see like a bunch of teachers. I guess I just went and saw 3 other teachers. I saw my broadcast teacher, so he was like a big part of my high school career. I saw my last 2 English teachers because I adored them. I would have liked to have seen like more people, but I had to get home to do other stuff today because I got like a, oh hi Sadie. I gotta do other stuff after this. This little dog is such a priss. She's just oh my goodness. So we took a group pic, which was so cute, and there was a lot of food, but because I'd had lunch, I like didn't really want lunch. But it's like, it's weird going back now that I've graduated. I love going back. I actually was one of those kids who loved high school, and I don't ever like talk bad about it because it really was a good experience for me. Like, I did what I wanted to do, I worked hard, I had fun, I made amazing friends, amazing memories. I would have liked to have seen, I think I mentioned I would have liked to have seen like more people, but like when you go to visit teachers, a lot of times like they want to know what you're up to, and so that takes a little bit. And I was going with a couple people I knew, so then they were trying to talk to all of us and it was just long. But yeah, I was kind of sad. I should have gone and seen like my old principal or a couple counselors I had, and I didn't have time to, which is like bummer, but you know, it's okay. It's just like I'll visit them probably in the next couple of years at least once, so not a big deal. Also, like, you know, I don't know if this is weird, but sometimes some of these people you got on Facebook, and like some of the teachers, if they're really chill, they'll go to coffee with you once you've graduated, which is super nice. Like, it's cool to know that you have that network of people, because I don't know, I just feel like so many teachers I had like invested so heavily in us and were so kind to us, and it's like I really want to do everything I can now to be like grateful to them, because these are the people like, oh, your teachers are so important. Like, oh, I love them. I also brought food to take to the event, but because we were running late, I was so like stressed that I left it in the car, so then I had to run back right before we left and drop that off, and then I drove Godson back to his car. And when I was coming home today, I thought like, oh, I'll be really creative and take a different route. And then I ended up getting stopped in like, I think 3 different elementary school zones. Super fun. It was just very chaotic. I also missed a few turns, but I was doing this like by memory, so I was feeling like a boss. But no, I'm really grateful that I got to like go back and visit, and I'm really like, I don't know, I'm so thankful for the high school I went to. I'm really happy I'm in college now. That is one thing everyone asks you, like, how's college? I'm like, it's great. I love where I'm at now, but like I'm really grateful for where I was, because that's what got me to where I am. It sounds so cheesy, but like it's really true. I'm really thankful for it. It was so nice. I got to see people I haven't seen in years, because I joined yearbook as a freshman. That year there was a lot of seniors, and so those people are all like graduating college now, and it's just crazy. And one of the girls went to college in New York, and we're in Texas, so we FaceTimed her in because she couldn't make it, and it was just really cool. And I know that our advisor, I know she was like surprised. I know she wasn't really expecting it, because you could tell at first she was like, oh yay, like she saw like one person, and then she was like, wait, and she like saw all of us, which is so cool. I love her to death. It was so fun to do something just to like see her. Like, it was great, and it was fun to see all the friends, all the teachers. It was just overall, it was really cool, and I'm just thankful, so thankful for everyone who's been a part of my life. It's just really cool. But yeah, that was my big thing for the day. Now I gotta do like some cleaning and random lists or random things on my to-do list that like aren't fun to vlog. Sorry, not sorry. Another really cool thing, I met a girl, shout out to you, Emma, who said she watches my vlogs, and I wanted to say hi to you. Also, my friend Michelle, shout out to you, because she bought a vlog camera, and she was showing me something she has made, like an end screen and like a transition, and they were so cool. And she takes like the best Insta photos and travels cool places, and so I totally see her having a really cool channel. I'll keep y'all posted on her, but yeah, I was just really excited about that. Oh, hello, you're back. Anyways, y'all, I hope you enjoyed. Oh, Sadie, stop. I'm ending the video. Anyways, same. I hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to leave a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!